Dr. Strongen presents fractional distillation. Today we're going to separate a mixture of volatile organic liquids. Safety considerations for this experiment include being aware of never heating a solution to dryness, never heating a closed system in which pressure builds up, and to not overfill glassware with liquid to be distilled. Wear your goggles at all times and always handle glassware and chemicals while wearing gloves. Have your instructor check your distillation setup prior to use. The purpose of a fractional distillation is to separate a mixture of liquids based on their characteristic boiling ranges. It differs from a simple distillation in that a vertical fractionating column is used. This column promotes multiple, successive vaporization condensation cycles to enrich each component to better achieve purification. The components of the still include a still pot, the vessel holding the liquids to be separated. It's attached to the fractionating column, which is connected to a still head holding the thermometer. A water-cooled condenser is connected with a takeoff adapter and a receiver to collect the distilled liquid. The heat source is a heating mantle. The amount of heating is controlled by a variable transformer attached to the heating mantle. The positioning of the thermometer will be critical to your success. It should be just below the sidearm, so it will be immersed in the vapor in order that you can obtain accurate readings. The first priority is to uniformly pack your fractionating column. Select a piece of copper sponge weighing about 8 grams. Roll it into a sausage shape with your hands. Then work out any knotted areas with your fingertips to ensure that the packing has a uniform density throughout. Insert the packing into your condenser using a metal rod. Manipulate the packing with the rod so that it is uniformly dense the length of the column. Check this by holding the packed column up to the light. Now we're ready to assemble the still. First, prepare a 50-50 ethyl acetate toluene solution in a 25 milliliter round bottom flask. Add 2 to 3 boiling chips gently. Note that your distilling pot should be no more than about 2/3 full at the beginning to allow room for frothing and boiling. Mount the round bottom flask on the ring stand about 6 inches above the desktop. Be sure that the ground glass joint of the flask is securely held by the clamp. This is the most important clamp in the apparatus because